Wow, could this be the best keto chocolate chip cookie ever? By the way, if you love simple keto recipes, subscribe now. There's a full list of ingredients a little later. Let's begin with the simple instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Cream softened butter and sweetener together until light and fluffy. Add all the ingredients, except for the chocolate chips, and mix well until combined. Finally, add the chocolate chips and fold together. Roll the dough into small balls and then press into a cookie shape with your fingers. Space them out evenly on the baking tray and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Congratulations! Your keto chocolate chip cookies are ready. Remove from the oven and let them cool on a wire rack before serving. Okay, here's the full list of ingredients. You'll need a half cup coconut flour, a half cup granular sweetener, a half cup sugar-free chocolate chips, a half cup softened butter, 2 large eggs, a half teaspoon baking powder, and a half teaspoon vanilla extract. At only 2 grams net carbs per cookie, these keto chocolate chip cookies are a no-brainer. It doesn't matter whether it's tea time or snack time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious simple keto recipes. Also, be sure to check out the links in the description box below for my favorite keto resources.